Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to save chat messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it. So open your Snapchat app and tap on chat and now open the conversation. You want to save messages for 24 hours and tap on the contact name. Tap on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on chat settings. Tap on delete chats and select 24 hours after viewing. And that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.